Coach Adair Tenorio of Mongolia. Coach, first win of the conference. Before the game, you mentioned how you know you can shoot and defend. It's just a matter of putting it together, and you did exactly that. Coach, mukhang hintay ka lang ng players who's always inside.
Sana hindi na nangyari sa mga sumabay sa practice kasi sakit sa katawan eh. 2 days ako na kahiga sa kama. But again, I just have to give credit to my players. Katulad nga na sinabi ni Ian, sinasabi ko na sa kanila, they just have to believe. They just have to believe na we can battle with this strong teams, top teams, seasoned teams. Yun lang ang gusto namin makita. But again, a lot of things to still work on, especially on the defensive end. Marami pa kaming lapses. Again, but for us, we really need this win. Napaka-importante yung panalo na para sa amin. I hope ito yung hinantay namin na momentum kasi big 3 yung kalaban namin. We play Rain and Shine and then back-to-back we play Ginebra. So medyo napaka-importante yung laro nito sa amin. Again, credit to my players. They responded really well. They practiced really hard the whole week. We watched the videos together. I made the boring. Naniwala sila and ginawa nila kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin for this.
And now we're going to entertain questions from the
Coach, yung ano lang masahe mo sa support ng locals kasi parang last game hindi masyadong marami yung contributions nila.
Yun yung actually, di ba, if you remember, nung first game parang sinabi ko na sa interview that we cannot rely on our people na lalo. I've been in this league for so many years, iba na basketball here. The locals should really produce also. I'm not saying, by points. Just the support of the locals. Napakalaking bagay sa import na yun. Napakalaking bagay sa import. So that the import don't have to score 50 points or 60 points just to win the league. Because of, siyempre, magiging hindi mag-stop yung mga teams ngayon. So we really have to work together to help our import, especially the locals. Challenge ko talaga yung mga locals, especially my friends. Talagang they need, our import needs our support. We cannot rely on our import. If I might say, as good as Justin Brownlee is, but I've been with him for so many years. The support of the locals talaga naging success nung run namin. Yes, he's really good. But and then I was telling them, Justin is good because of the support of the locals. So I hope magbigay aral sa amin yun, sa mga locals namin. And sana, diba, this is the start of a good run for us. But again, we still have a lot of things to tackle, especially on our defense. We want to be a defensive team first.
Coach, ba't ka sumabay sa ensayo? Babalik ka na.
Hindi. Hindi. Ano ko lang, gusto ko lang, siyempre siguro malaking bagay din na makita nila kung ano yung gusto kong magawa sa akin. Napaganda naman, kahit pa paano, na ganda yung gusto ng mga players, medyo masama na sa akin kasi 2 araw na sa akin. So, consistent yung katawan ko. But, again, katulad yung sinabi ko, it was really able to respond for my players. It just showed that they will do, parang laban kami dito.
Ian, congratulations. Yung nasabi ni Coach na talagang sinachallenge yung mga locals to step up at tulungan yung import. Sa puso yun na kailangan gawin yun.
Siyempre, very important sa amin yun na sa amin mga locals na yung nga sabi ni Coach, hindi kami pwede mag-rely sa import. Especially yung defense. So, kailangan talaga mag-start kami sa defensive mindset namin. Siguro yung offense namin bonus na lang sa amin yun. So, yung magbibigay ng panalo talaga sa amin yung defense. Kung makikita nyo tonight kung tama ang maglaro ng depensa, yun yung nagpanatalize sa akin.
Dami yung pinorse na turnovers, especially in fourth quarter, na talagang na-strengthen yung lamang yun.
Yun nga, we just need to play hard every time. Kahit magkaroon lang yung Meralco, hindi kami pwedeng way back. So, laging positive mindset na kami sa loob ng court. Pinag-usapan namin kung ano dapat namin gawin, yung mga pwede namin gawin. So, very on point kami tonight na gusto talaga namin manamin kasi medyo mahirap na talaga pag natalo kami today. Kaya, thankful ako na kaming lahat nagtulong-tulong para makuha yung panalo.
Coach, when you assess your import after 3 games?
Our import, so far, no? Well, siyempre, kinuha namin siya, so we believe in it. Hindi naman namin siya kukunin kung hindi kami naniniwala sa akin na fit siya sa system namin, sa gusto namin gawin. No? So far, he's a young player, he's only 26, just turned 26. No? And I have a young team also. But slowly, ang maganda rin kasi sa kanya, he's learning also at the same time na yung buong team natututo dahil sa mga bata, mga players. But he's been really working hard with the team. He listens to the locals. I think yun yung importante, very good attitude, no? Towards the game of basketball, and he accepts yung mga mistakes, no? So I think yun yung importante. And for me, that's what we need in this team. You know, he's not a leader per se, but by doing that, parang nililid niya rin yung team namin.
That concludes our post-game press
Thank you.
conference. Thank you for your time.
Coach.